Welcome to the adventures of Spoonie and Bubbles. Today's story is called Pattern Party. It was party day in the playroom. Colorful balloons were everywhere, but something didn't look right. They looked all mixed up. Red and blue balloons were scattered without order. Spoonie looked closely at the colors. Maybe they need a pattern. A pattern repeats again and again. Spoonie placed a red balloon, then a blue balloon. Red, blue, red, blue. The colors began to repeat. Oh, it goes again. Red, blue, red. The line paused. What comes next? Blue. The pattern repeats. Then they tried shapes. A circle, a square, a triangle. Then it repeated. Circle, square, triangle. It keeps going. But then something looked different. Circle, square, square. The pattern stopped. That doesn't repeat. They fixed it together. Soon the decoration looked just right. Red, blue, circle, square, triangle, patterns everywhere. They look so neat. A pattern repeats in order. You can find patterns in colors, shapes, and even sounds. Patterns are fun. And that was Pattern Party Day.